be using Mielle Organic's pomegranate and honey line to achieve this curly mohawk, and I'll also be using their ginger and honey edge control so I could lay these flat twists. So you want to go ahead and start off by sectioning your hair. You just want to put your hair in manageable sections for the flexi rods, but 2 sections are important, and that's where you're going to have your flat twist. So what I did was part behind the ear and kind of come forward to the middle of my eyebrow. And so before we get started styling the hair, you just want to apply some leave-in pomegranate honey conditioner to each little section of your hair to get it ready to style. So when it comes to the flat twist, in this section I did about 5 medium to small flat twists, and making sure I start each one with the twisting souffle. This twisting souffle smelled amazing and it worked so well on my hair. And then to begin each flat twist so it can be laid, I went in with their edge gel. This is some thick, nice edge control, y'all. I am like, where has this thing been all my life? Once you finish all 5 of your flat twists, you're just going to take the ends of those, twist them up to the top, and then you're going to save it for a flexi rod. So to start your flexi rods, you're going to get some of that twisting souffle again and put it all over those strands of hair. I did like a medium small section, and then I made sure I combed through each section so it can be nice and detangled before putting it on the rod. So the way I install flexi rods is I take the end of my hair and put it on the end of the rod, and then I twist up from there and clamp down both ends. So I'll show you again in the front. To get a more elongated curl, make sure you're leaving space when you're curling it up the rod, and don't do such a tight curl. Once all your rods are nice and dry, it's time to take them out. And the way you want to take them out is nice and easy, but you're basically going to unravel it and twist it in the opposite way that you put them in. Little curls pop out? I know I am. Popping already. So when it comes down to separating the curl, this is personal preference. If you want definition versus volume, or a little of both. For this style, I definitely wanted that definition, and as you can see, I'm pretty happy about the definition I'm getting. But if you want volume, you just want to separate more basically. If you want more definition, don't separate as much. But a tip for separation is to try to find out where the curl separates naturally anyway, and then separate there instead of trying to force a split between a curl. So just take your time with this process and it'll definitely pay off. Y'all, this is how it looks, not even fluffed, just separated. I am good to go right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out for you guys to show how I fluff it a little bit. You just want to pick it out at the roots, and you can do this with a comb or a pick. You just want to be gentle with the actual curl and fluff at the roots. Yo, I'm in love. I am in love. these two right here, they did that. They did that. Okay. I just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting me to over 250 subscribers. I want to give away all the products I just featured in this video. No, it's not sponsored, but they are great products, so why not share them with you guys? The leave-in conditioner, the twist and souffle, and the extra hold edge control. So all you have to do, guys, is give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Go over to my Instagram and follow me there. And then tag 2 people in the comments of the giveaway post so they can know about the giveaway too. For bonus entries, you guys can write a comment down below on this video on YouTube, or you can do both. You can share the Instagram post to your stories and make sure you tag me in them. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope y'all stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.